If you use an action camera and you're filming like I do, and you have the need to move the camera from mount to mount quickly and easily, or if you want to mount it to the front of your shirt with a magnetic product behind the shirt, so you can easily move it from that mount to any other mount, or attach it to something metallic like a body panel of a car or a metallic top of a desk or something like that. The product from Snap Mount's called Snap Mount and Snap Mount Pro, which this is the Pro version, which includes the finger mount here for like a selfie stick. And a second one for a second location includes a lanyard capable mount for behind your shirt, and you can quickly and easily snap that to that through your shirt. And then you can also attach it quickly and easily to this mount, and all you need to do is slide it off to the side to remove it and move it to where you need to. It also gives you this rubber pad to give a non-scratch surface to allow you to mount it to a metallic surface without scratching the paint or something on your vehicle. So this is a great solution for the older products like the Hero 7, 8, even up through the 9 and 10 for the base camera, it works just fine. But when I ran into a problem when I tried to upgrade to the Hero 10 Black with the Media Mod, this external casing for the Media Mod caused a problem with the mount location for the thumb screw. It actually comes on this side and causes a tilt in the camera. So what the solution to that is a new product from Snap Mounts called the Snap Media Mod. So in this video, we're going to talk about that. So let's get into it. To use an external microphone with the Hero 7 Black, I created this configuration, which is using the Ulanzi mount with the cradle under the bottom of the camera for the external microphone adapter. The USB-C connector connects over to the end of the Hero 7 Black here. Then I had my Rode Wireless Go microphone receiver on the cold shoe mount on the external part of the case here. And this worked pretty well. It can't see all of the screen, but it's fine for most cases. And this works. When I upgraded to the Hero 10 Black with the Media Mod to get the connectivity for the external microphone, there's some spacing issues with regard to and you'll notice that the recess in the bottom of the Media Mod is on this side. So this thumb screw that's here from the snap mount configuration is on the wrong side. So if you try to mount this, I'll show you in the next section here how well that doesn't work and what the solution is. Here's my GoPro Hero 10 Black wrapped in the Media Mod because I want to eventually connect an external microphone like I did with the Hero 7 Black. And the snap mount base that I used in the previous section here with the Hero 7 Black, it just doesn't work with this Media Mod wrapped around the Hero 10. If you have the base camera itself, the finger mount here will work. That will work just fine. But if you use the Media Mod for the microphones in the Media Mod or to connect an external microphone, you'll have a problem. You can see that the base is not level with the bottom of the Hero 10 Black because the thumb screw is on the wrong side. The Media Mod is carved out here with a recess to allow for the thumb screw over on this side. So that's the first problem, causing the unlevel placement of the camera. And then the second problem here is you can't fully fold up the camera to the base like you could with the previous cameras without the Media Mod wrapped around them, because these two tabs are hitting the back side of the Media Mod. So how do you solve that? There's a separate product now available from the same company that is compatible with the Media Mod. So let's take a look at that. On the left, I have the mount that I've shown you in the previous sections of this video. It's the mount that comes in the Snap Mount and Snap Mount Pro kits. It is incompatible with the Hero 9 and Hero 10 Black Media Mod, as I've shown you in the previous section of the video, because the thumb screw is on the wrong side and the distance between the mount and the finger mount here is not quite enough to account for the thickness of the Media Mod. Plus this tab here is hitting the connection point for the USB-C and the microphone adapter 3.5mm connector. This is the new product from the same company. It's the Snap Media Mod. It has the thumb screw on the correct side that the Media Mod is expecting it on. Longer thumb screw to make sure it's outside where you can reach it. The distance between the base and the finger mount center point is longer, taller, to move the camera further away from the base. We still have the tab here. We do have what looks to be a lanyard connector hole here like you had for the one for in your shirt. So you can put the lanyard connector there for some reason if you use it. I haven't used it in that manner. But the main difference here is the fact that this tab is missing here. This is where the connection point is for the cables on the back of the Media Mod. Here's my final configuration. I have the Hero 10 Black, the Media Mod for the Hero 10 Black, On the cold shoe mount on the outside of the Media Mod, I have a Rode Wireless Go 2 receiver. Of course, we have the cable with the 3.5mm connection jacks on both ends that go from the receiver to the back of the Media Mod. Here we have the Snap Media Mod mounting base, and we have the longer thumb screw on the correct side for the Media Mod, and it moves it out just a little bit to give it more distance to allow for the cables to some degree. We still have that tab here. It's not quite hitting the back of the Media Mod here. We can still see the screen on the back of the Hero 10 Black. And on this side, here are the cables. That tab is removed from the Snap Media Mod to allow for the cables, although this is a fairly tall cable and also doesn't allow the full thing to fold up completely, but it does allow for the presence of the cables on this side. So hopefully you found this information to be helpful. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos just like this. If you're considering the purchase of the Snap Mount or Snap Mount Pro kit, I'll have affiliate links down in the video description section to allow you to purchase that on Amazon, and I will make a commission on that, but at no extra cost to you. And if you want to buy the Snap Media Mod, the only place I can find that available at this point is on the Snap Mount's website, and I'll have a link to that as well. Thanks for coming to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.